Get something off the ground. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. And this is the perfect time for me to whip this out. To get something off the ground means to succeed in something. Usually a business or a project, something new that you're trying to do. And nilabas ko itong aking Lego space set na ito. And perfect tong illustration kasi isa yung mga rocket launches, kumbaga, sa mga bagay that literally need to get off the ground in order to succeed. So much like a plane or, again, a rocket like this, when something takes off or gets off the ground, ibig sabihin, may magandang nangyari. So, if you want to use it in a sentence, you could say something like, ideas are cheap. It takes a lot of hard work and determination to get something off the ground. Cheap ang ideas. Ibig sabihin, kahit sino, pwede namang may isip na, ano kaya kung ito yung gawin ko? Or magandang mag-business ng ganito. Pero it takes a lot of hard work and determination at sa totoo lang sakripisyo para mag-succeed. Alright, that's today's idiom. And kung ayaw nyo makalimutan, use it in a sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more. 3, 2, 1.